Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Today I come with a new topic. Today's topic is ignore the negativity, speak with confidence. While speaking, some people can make bad comments about your speaking. Even they may call you a crazy. Don't worry about them, and remember, no one is perfect. Even I am not perfect. So don't worry about their negativity. Keep learning and keep improving. Thank you very much, dear friends. You will stay with us by giving like, comment and share. That's all about today's topic.